Hey folks, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I have received a package from Dead Format Films and I'm eager to see what's inside. Welcome to the underground. I just think that I should take a look right away. And as usual, they have taped it together pretty well, so thumbs up to you, Dead Format. I really like how you're doing this. Ugh, this is one big tough son of a bitch. Oh yeah. So let's see. Yes. The first one I have here is the the two Squirmfest movies. These are some movies that I have only heard about. I have actually never watched them, but I guess the time's up for it. I enjoyed the Terrible Meal pretty much. Well, in its own conditions, it was some of the most fucking gross thing I have ever seen in my entire life. And I've heard that this one should be down the same alley, so I hope so. And then to save some money on the shipping, they actually shipped 3 covers in one. I have a lot of additional DVD cases, so I can easily mix them up. Again, always great Dead Format. You have such awesome covers. One of them is actually, yeah, Terrible Meal with a fucking awesome cover. Take a look at that. I love it. And also the back, it's even more gross. And then there is their cartoon mixtape, which I managed to get a copy of, which should be very inappropriate. Excuse me, very inappropriate cartoons. And don't we like inappropriate cartoons? I know I do. So, and then there is a lot of other stuff. We have the let's see. We have the 4 Japanese Splatterfest, I believe. Yeah, the 4 Japanese Splatterfest collection. First one here, and then the number 2, and then number 3 with a slipcase. Ooh, I like slipcases. I couldn't turn that into a song. Well, and the other one here. Well, that's it for today, folks. I received these great 7 titles, and what can I say? I'm looking forward to watch them and to see what it's all about. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other, and just remember to watch a lot of underground movies. Some gross movies, some scary movies. Just keep it filthy. Have a great day, guys. See you out there. Bye.